In this quick video I'm going to show you how you can stop SteamVR games from crashing. Here's what you have to do. You have to do two things. For the first one, open up your computer search and you want to search for advanced system settings and click on this option. Now right here you will click on performance, visual effects, you want to click on settings. Then again you will go into the advanced section, and right here where it says virtual memory you want to select change. Now uncheck automatically manage paging file sizes for all drives, and you want to select custom size here, and you want to see how much RAM you have. So I'm gonna go system information, so specs here, and you want to find your RAM. I have 32 gigs of RAM. If you don't know how much you have, you can check it here, and you just want to change this to initial size is going to be something similar, so that's going to be the least amount that's going to use. So for me it's going to be 10,000, and the maximum size you want to set however much RAM you have, so you will do 32,000 because this is in megabytes and not gigabytes. So you will do this for all of the drives which you have, and then you will click on set, then you want to select OK, and that should fix SteamVR games from crashing. If that doesn't work, then the second thing that I suggest doing is finding Steam, right clicking open file location, right click again, show more options, properties, compatibility, and you want to check these three options. Hope this helps. Leave a like and sub, and I'll see you next time.